Welcome to the City of Light. In this video, we'll show you the best things to do in Paris to make your trip unforgettable. As a seasoned traveler, I've discovered the most iconic sights and hidden gems that Paris has to offer. Whether it's your first time or you're a returning visitor, these tips will help you make the most out of your trip. So, pack your suitcase and let's go on an adventure to Paris. Bonjour, viewers. Today, we're starting our Parisian adventure with a must-visit landmark, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Whether day or night, the Eiffel Tower never fails to mesmerize with its timeless beauty and charm. Take a ride up to the observation decks for breathtaking panoramic views of Paris's stunning architecture and landscape. Capture a classic Parisian moment by sharing a kiss under the Eiffel Tower, a symbol of love and romance. Get creative and bring a piece of Paris home with you by supporting local artists capturing the essence of the Eiffel Tower. Our next stop in Paris brings us to the renowned Louvre Museum for a rendezvous with artistic masterpieces. Embark on a visual journey through centuries of artistry within the Louvre's vast collection, a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Behold the enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa, an iconic painting that continues to captivate and intrigue enthusiasts from across the globe. Immerse yourself in the stories of antiquity with awe-inspiring sculptures and artifacts that speak volumes about bygone eras. Unleash your creativity and pay homage to artistic greatness by sketching your interpretations of the Louvre's timeless masterpieces. Conclude your museum visit with a tranquil moment in the Louvre's exquisite courtyard, a sanctuary of peace amidst artistic brilliance. Our Parisian journey continues with a stroll through the bohemian charm of Montmartre and a visit to the majestic Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Immerse yourself in the artistic spirit of Montmartre as you meander through Place du Tertre, where local artists showcase their talents. Indulge in delicious French cuisine with freshly made crepes while soaking in the lively atmosphere of Montmartre's quaint cafes and bistros. Climb the iconic steps leading to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for panoramic views of Paris that will leave you breathless. Step inside the Sacré-Cœur Basilica and marvel at its stunning architecture and breathtaking stained glass windows that illuminate the space. End your day with a romantic sunset overlooking the city from the terrace of Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a magical moment to cherish forever. Our Paris adventure takes us on a leisurely stroll along the picturesque Seine River to savor the breathtaking views. Embrace the romance of Paris as you stroll along the Seine River, hand in hand with your loved one, soaking in the city's timeless beauty. Marvel at the architectural splendor of Paris's iconic bridges that gracefully cross the Seine, connecting the city's charming neighborhoods. Encounter local artists capturing the essence of Paris through their vibrant creations, adding a touch of creativity to your riverside walk. Unwind like a true Parisian with a delightful picnic by the Seine, surrounded by laughter, good food, and the calming flow of the river. Witness the magic of Paris at sunset as the Seine shimmers with golden hues, a perfect moment to cherish solitude and serenity. Our Parisian exploration continues with a visit to the iconic Notre-Dame Cathedral, a symbol of history and architectural grandeur. Marvel at the intricate details of Notre Dame's facade, a masterpiece of Gothic design that has stood the test of time. Step inside the cathedral to behold the mesmerizing beauty of the stained glass rose windows, illuminating the interior with a kaleidoscope of colors. Experience a moment of peace and reflection as you light a candle and offer a prayer in the serene ambiance of Notre Dame's sacred space. Be enchanted by the celestial melodies of a choir performing within the hallowed halls of Notre Dame, filling the air with harmonious notes. Conclude your visit to Notre Dame with a serene moment in the cathedral's peaceful courtyard, a hidden oasis in the heart of Paris. Our Parisian escapade takes us to the opulent Palace of Versailles, a symbol of French royalty and grandeur. Step into the grandeur of the Hall of Mirrors, adorned with gilded accents and sparkling chandeliers that reflect the palace's lavish heritage. Explore the vast gardens of Versailles, a masterpiece of landscape design with breathtaking fountains, serene lakes, and lush greenery. Wander through the sumptuous royal apartments, where history comes to life through ornate furnishings, luxurious fabrics, and artistic marvels. Embark on a scenic boat ride along the Grand Canal, soaking in the picturesque views of Versailles' regal estate from a different perspective. Savor a peaceful picnic amidst the beauty of Versailles, surrounded by vibrant blooms and timeless sculptures that transport you to a bygone era. Our Parisian journey continues with a delightful picnic at the serene Luxembourg Gardens, a haven of tranquility in the heart of the city. Take a leisurely walk along the enchanting pathways of Luxembourg Gardens, where the rustling leaves and chirping birds create a symphony of nature. Discover the beauty of the Medici Fountain, a peaceful oasis adorned with vibrant blossoms and the soothing sound of flowing water. Relax on iconic green chairs under the dappled shade of mature trees, a perfect spot to unwind and bask in the garden's serene ambiance. Indulge in a delightful picnic spread with French delicacies on a cozy blanket, surrounded by the charm and elegance of Luxembourg Gardens. Embrace a moment of whimsy by the pond as you feed the ducks, immersed in the natural beauty and serenity of Luxembourg Gardens. Our Parisian exploration leads us to the iconic Arc de Triomphe, a symbol of triumph and French pride. Marvel at the detailed carvings and intricate sculptures that decorate the Arc de Triomphe, showcasing the artistic finesse of its design. Witness the dynamic energy of Paris as cars navigate the swirling lanes around the Arc de Triomphe, a testament to the city's vibrant spirit. Ascend the stairs to the top of the Arc de Triomphe for panoramic views of Paris's grand boulevards and iconic landmarks stretching into the horizon. Capture memorable moments with friends as you strike a pose in front of the Arc de Triomphe, immortalizing your visit to this historic monument. Witness the mesmerizing hues of sunset from the viewing platform of the Arc de Triomphe, a romantic setting to admire Paris's beauty from above. Our Parisian odyssey continues with a visit to the renowned Musée d'Orsay, home to a spectacular collection of Impressionist art. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of Impressionist art with masterpieces by Monet, Renoir, and other luminaries of the movement. Explore the exquisite architecture of the museum, housed within a converted railway station that seamlessly blends historic charm with artistic allure. Discover newfound romance amidst sculptural wonders as you and your loved one share a quiet moment in the museum's captivating ambiance. Delve into the world of Impressionism with interactive exhibits that educate and inspire, making art accessible and engaging for all ages. Our Parisian escapade takes us to the iconic Galeries Lafayette for a shopping experience like no other. Indulge in a world of haute couture and luxury brands as you explore the glamorous offerings of Galeries Lafayette's renowned fashion boutiques. Pamper yourself with beauty essentials and fragrances from top cosmetic brands showcased in Galeries Lafayette's vibrant beauty department. Elevate your style with exquisite accessories and dazzling jewelry, meticulously curated to add a touch of elegance to your ensemble. Experiment with the latest trends and fashion-forward styles as you and your friends embark on a fun-filled shopping spree in Galeries Lafayette. Unwind with a breathtaking view of Paris atop the Galeries Lafayette rooftop terrace, a perfect spot for a romantic interlude after a day of shopping. Our Parisian journey leads us to the eclectic neighborhood of Le Marais, a bohemian enclave brimming with art, culture, and history. Embark on a shopping adventure through Le Marais' stylish boutiques and vintage stores, offering a mix of contemporary trends and classic treasures. Satisfy your cravings at cozy cafes and bakeries, where you can indulge in mouth-watering pastries and aromatic coffee amidst a bustling atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the vibrant street art scene of Le Marais, where colorful murals and graffiti add a splash of creativity to the neighborhood's charm. Discover the rich history of Le Marais as you wander past iconic landmarks such as Place des Vosges and the majestic Hôtel de Ville. Unwind with friends in a picturesque park or square, savoring a leisurely picnic surrounded by the serene beauty of Le Marais. Our Parisian exploration continues with a scenic stroll along the iconic Champs-Élysées and a visit to the historic Place de la Concorde. Embark on a shopping spree amidst luxury boutiques and charming cafes that line the tree-lined boulevard of Champs-Élysées, offering a taste of Parisian elegance. Marvel at the ancient obelisk of Luxor standing tall at Place de la Concorde, a symbol of Paris's rich history and cultural heritage. Capture picturesque moments against the backdrop of ornate fountains and statues adorning Place de la Concorde, a vibrant hub of art and architecture. Savor a leisurely walk with your loved ones along the grand avenues of Champs-Élysées, relishing the bustling energy and timeless charm of Paris. Cherish a romantic sunset at Place de la Concorde, where love and history intertwine, creating a magical ambiance in the heart of Paris. As we reach the end of our Parisian journey, let's reflect on the enchanting experiences that make this city a timeless treasure. From historic wonders to artistic marvels, Paris captivates with its rich tapestry of culture and heritage. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the best of Paris. Until next time, a bientôt. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more videos like this.